and welcome to our study. This video provides a step-by-step guide to data collection. Let's start with an overview of our project. We are measuring brain activity before and after what we call a nature-based intervention at specific sites. We have chosen your neighborhood to be one of our sites of study. For our study, we will be collecting data in two phases, first before and then after the intervention. Both times we will be following exactly the same steps, which we will discuss in this video. You will receive a safe, painless, easy-to-wear EEG headset that connects to your phone. We will show you how to use it, so you can then take the device with you and record your brain's electrical activity on your own during specific sessions over 6 days. Overall, your tasks will include completing some questionnaires about your lifestyle and well-being, recording for 20 minutes in the park. We'll be there to help you during this session. Recording 3 additional times using our app on your own, 2 at home and 1 at the same park in whatever order you like. Completing a short daily questionnaire on your phone about your experience. First, switch on the device by pressing this button and ensure that the Bluetooth on your phone is also switched on. Then, you'll need to properly fit the EEG headband onto your head. Please note, if you have long hair, it will need to be tied back and tucked behind your ears out of your face. This will ensure that there is no interference between the sensors and your skin. Use the provided alcohol swabs to clean your forehead from any residue or makeup. This will help the device get the right connectivity too. The EEG device is adjustable. Start by maximizing its length and then adjust to fit comfortably around your forehead and behind your ears. Open the app when the device is securely onto your head. Look out for the app's horseshoe symbol, which will reflect the signal's strength. A colored horseshoe indicates a strong signal. A non-colored horseshoe indicates a weak signal, and you'll need to readjust or tighten the headband, get any hair out of the way, or simply apply gentle pressure on the device against your forehead to improve the signal quality. Usually, the less sensitive sensors tend to be the ones on the far left and the far right. If you feel you've done all you can to adjust for a better signal, but 1 or 2 oval shapes still show poor signal, do not worry, simply continue to the next steps. However, it helps to note this or report it to our team. This can be done either during on-site data collection or in your daily journal when completing the questionnaire at home. During an EEG, your brain's electrical activity is digitally recorded and plotted on a graph as waveforms, each representing a reading from a sensor on the device. You can view this in the app before starting the recording. For example, if you blink, you'll notice a steep dip and then rise on the graph, which reflects the electrical activity from that movement. When you're ready, press the red button as shown. This will start the recording. If you're outdoors in the park, you first have to sit down for 1 minute observing the landscape. Next, take a walk around wearing the device for 20 minutes. Basically, walking, sitting, or any gentle activity is okay. Please ensure to minimize your head movements and avoid looking down, as the excessive movement may introduce noise to the data being recorded and weaken the sensor signals. After 20 minutes, press the same button to finish recording and send the data to a preset Dropbox or our WhatsApp number on your phone. When recording at home sessions, please follow the same steps. Begin by sitting still for 1 minute, for instance, on your sofa or looking out the window, and then continue for 20 minutes. This can be sitting in the same position or performing light home activities. These can be tidying up, like cleaning, or walking around your space. You are free to choose, but please minimize your head movements as much as possible and avoid activities that involve heat and water, as these may damage the device. Each day for 5 days, You'll receive a short questionnaire on your phone where you can provide feedback on your recording experience. You will also receive additional short questionnaires about your mood at the end of each of the 5 days. Once your time with the device is complete, please return it to a member of our team at the previously appointed location. Thank you for watching and for your interest in participating. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, feel free to get in touch by scanning the QR code on screen, sending us a message via WhatsApp, or emailing a member of our team at neuro@neurolandscape.org.